The Jetour T2 is a mid-size crossover SUV that successfully blends a rugged, boxy off-road aesthetic with modern, comfortable, everyday drivability. Under the hood, it is powered by a robust 2.0 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that generates 254 horsepower and 390 Nm of torque. Mated to a responsive 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, this powertrain delivers quick throttle response around town and smooth, confident passing power on the highway. Visually inspired by legendary off-road icons like the Land Rover Defender and Ford Bronco, the T2 commands attention on the road with its square-jawed stance, aggressive front grille, exposed tow hooks, roof rails, and rear door-mounted spare tire cover. Step inside the cabin, and the rugged exterior gives way to a refined, tech-heavy environment. The dashboard centerpiece is a massive 15.6-inch infotainment touchscreen powered by an enterprise-grade Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 processor, ensuring ultra-fast menu responses, smooth animation, and seamless integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. High-end interior comforts include ergonomic ventilated front seats, customizable ambient lighting, an expansive panoramic sunroof, and a premium 12-speaker Sony sound system that elevates long highway journeys. When leaving the pavement, the Jetour T2 relies on BorgWarner's intelligent XWD system. This advanced setup continuously monitors wheel traction and automatically distributes torque between the wheels without requiring driver intervention or manual differential locks. Drivers can simply select from dedicated terrain modes, such as sand, mud, rock, and snow, and let the vehicle calibrate its throttle, mapping, and traction control for optimal grip. Practical trail capability is supported by a generous 220mm of ground clearance, a 28-degree approach angle, a 30-degree departure angle, an impressive 700mm water weighting depth. Driver confidence is further enhanced by a 540-degree panoramic camera system that features a transparent chassis function, projecting an image of the terrain directly underneath the vehicle to help avoid hidden obstacles, sharp rocks, or sudden drops. While built on a unibody crossover platform rather than a heavy-duty ladder frame, the T2 handles everyday commutes with composure, absorbing road imperfections while keeping body roll well managed through corners. Fuel economy averages around 8.8 to 10 liters per 100 kilometers under mixed driving conditions. Ultimately, the Jetour T2 provides an appealing package for drivers seeking high-end utility design, rich cabin technology, and light trail capability at a remarkably accessible price point.